Look at that. Yeah guys, so this is everything for the cook. You know, wagwan, what's up everybody? I hope everybody is doing good and thing, you know we're there outside today, we're not there on the food truck today. So, I'm gonna go to the store Monday and pick up some red snapper. So, we always brown stew, escovitch and all of that, today. I curry today. I'm gonna show you how I deal with it today. Wicked in the backyard, So stay tuned for that, man. Me have to have a drink and thing. You don't know, it's hot today too, So stay tuned for the video. Remember, like, share and subscribe. Yeah man. Even subscribe to my channel, man. You see it? Because we're there, we are doing it now, we are doing it big too. So one love to everybody and stay tuned for the video. Yeah man? Cool. Yeah guys, so this is everything for the cook. We have a snap over this and we need some lime and thing. Washing down. So right here, so you have a whole of my season them for me I use and thing, you see it? Yeah, so some curry powder, spice Jamaica we I use. I kinda use this seasoning on everything. I'm gonna find out so it's real good, So pepper, onion, some thyme here, so of course you have a pot there, so and you have a charcoal over this, so I go and sort out. So in the meantime we are gonna go and clean them up and thing. Kinda rough clean and thing, you see. Yeah guys, of course so you have to clean up the thing. One fish may I cook today, I think we have about 4 of them, but one fish may I cook today. Freestyle, me a freestyle today, you see it? Yeah man. So of course you have to get all the excess scale and all of that, I might take off the head too, you know what I mean? Me have to take off the head. I'm not cook it with the head at all. Because more they can hold in the once it can fit in the pot, it's not gonna fit properly, so I'm gonna take off the head. Yeah, before I fry them. Because I fry them first, Yeah, even though I curry, I kind of fry him first, get him crisp, so it can stay together in one piece. And then you don't know. Just make my curry sauce and just put him in it. Simple as that, easy. Suppose you have the lime and thing. Yeah. Like what? Sort out the inside and thing, and then you rub up your lime. Yeah? So now take out the head off right there. Take out the head off right. I'm gonna trim them up. Don't want the excess, stuff on it. So I'm gonna get my scissors and trim them up a little bit. See what I go on? Yeah. Scissors they move feeble, scissors they not move right at all. It's a brand new scissors in mine, I see you start shell apart then now, so thing over here so not right at all. Anyway, I get off from one get off. So you probably can fit in the pot now. So I will cut in like this. Just give him 2 slices. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna season him now. So even though it's curry fish, now I put the curry on him right now. The curry for the sauce, we kind of season it right now and just fry him down, fry him, get him crisp like how you'd make escovitch and thing or brown stew, and then just make the curry sauce with my vegetable and everything, and that is it. Alright, when I use measurement, yeah, judgment. Yeah, more like a judgment, so look alright now. I have some garlic in the thing. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, you know. Is it? Yeah, man. Kind of rub up some garlic in him and make him fry with it, you know. Yeah. So right now, let's put on this bad boy and I think we're on. Right this way. Right this way. And then I already washed my vegetable then already, you know. I'm thinking of going at the curry, you know. Curry sauce. On the outside today. Now I use the whole of that. I use some thyme. And of course, some onion. Yeah. This is what I'm gonna use to fry and make the curry sauce. But as I tell you before, I'm gonna just fry the fish first to get it, like, you know, hard a little bit. I don't like when it's too soft, like steamed fish. So I'm just gonna let that go on hot. Then I just fry them each side, and then add my curry and my vegetables. See what's going on? Check it out. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna add some oil to the frying pan right now. See that? See what I want? Catch it. Yeah. And first, I don't have no Scotch bonnet pepper, but I have some buy at the store, like in the buckle. So that's what I'm gonna do. See? So you know when your oil are hot, you know. So put it in there and keep it on fry up. Get closer. Right now, finished frying, so we have all the vegetables. Yeah. See what I want? Yeah. Everything. Remember, we have to add some curry sauce to, you know. Yeah. Remember, curry fish, you know. You're ready to put your fish in. Alright? So right now, add some water, you know. Make that come to a boil. Yeah, as a simmer. Make that come to a little simmer. Then we add back the fish. And of course, this is what we're going to season with. Yeah, man. Curry sauce right there, so add the fish in a little bit to it. Look at that. Curry snapper. Normally we brown stew snapper, but that one here curry, is it? Yeah, man. I think me I gonna have it with some white rice in the day. Rare you find curry fish, you know. Escovitch, brown stew, fry, but rare you find curry. This is a rare one. See? All the vegetable them. See them? Put them, you know. All vegetable them. Yes, I look windy today now, but fish have to eat. No, you're wrong. No fish have to eat. Look at that. Curry snapper. Normally we brown stew snapper, but that one here curry, you see it? Yeah man. I think me I gonna have it with some white rice in the day. Rare you find curry fish, you know. Escovitch, brown stew, fry, but rare you find curry. This is a rare one. See? All the vegetable them. See them here? Put them, you know, all vegetable them. Yes, I look windy today now, but fish have to eat. No, you're wrong. No fish have to eat. Alright guys, look at it. Everything done, you know. Finish, you know. Plating time, you know. Yeah man, we have put it on a plate right now. Yeah man. So guys, at least we do some rice right now. So plating time, you know. Get him straight. See what's going on? See what's going on? Never catch that. Just the plating right now. Curry fish. Simple, easy. Curry fish, is it? Yeah man, right this up. Check it. Yeah man, curry fish right this up. Wicked. I do a taste testing right now. Stay tuned for that. Yeah man. So some rice with some sauce. Look at that. Big chunk of red snapper. Real good. Real good. Guys. Yeah guys, to be honest with you, I have plans for my channel. Big plans for the channel. Check this out. You can see that? Big chunk of snapper. Some white rice. Yeah? I have big plans for the channel, so make sure you subscribe. Trust me, I'm gonna invite over one of my viewers from the channel to come and try my food, who is in the US. So that's the plan. Yeah man. You know, even once a month or so. Yeah, but I'm still growing the channel right now, so let's see. Yeah man. Guys, it was wicked. Wicked. And of course, you know we have to have the little drink in the cup. Let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe. Come on man. Big plans for the channel. I'm gonna invite one of you guys over to come and try my food for free. Yeah.